Special cowpeas curry recipe for chapati and rice. We just need 30 minutes for the preparation. Let's move to the video. In a cooker, take 1 cup of cowpeas. We have washed and soaked cowpeas for 8 hours. Add half teaspoon salt and sufficient water to cook the cowpeas. Mix it well. Cook for 3 whistles on high flame. Cooking time will be different for each cooker. After 3 whistles, switch off the flame. Keep it rest for at least 20 minutes before opening. After 20 minutes, we can open the lid. Cowpeas have cooked well. In a grinder jar, take 3/4 cup of grated coconut. Add half teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 green chili slicks, 4 to 5 curry leaves, half teaspoon cumin seeds. Add some water and grind it into a paste form. Now add the grinded mixture to the cooker. Switch on the flame. Add half cup of hot water, half teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Cook for 6 minutes on low flame. After 6 minutes, switch off the flame. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. When the oil is in hot, add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds and wait until it sputters. Then add 3 red chilies cut into halves, some curry leaves, and mix it for 10 seconds on low flame. Now add 8 sliced shallots, 4 chopped garlics, and mix it well. Saute it for 5 minutes on medium flame until it turns to light golden color. Mix it well. Then add half teaspoon red chili powder and mix it well. Cook for a minute on low flame. Now add this on top of the curry. Don't stir it now. Close the lid and wait at least 10 minutes before stirring.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
After 10 minutes, we can stir it well. Special cowpeas curry recipe for chapati and rice is ready. If you are making in this quantity, you can serve it for 6 portions. You can serve it along with chapati or rice for best taste.
Before skipping, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click here to watch the most recent video. I hope you will really like it. Click on top for non-vegetarian recipes or click below for vegetarian recipes. For all other interesting videos like snacks, South Indian recipes, North Indian recipes, desserts, drinks, please check the description box below.